Hey guys, it's Miss Ramsey. I'm here to do a first grade lesson with you. Let's see if we can do a little bit of subitizing. So tell me what you see. 2 and 1 more make 3. What do you see? 3 and 1 make 4. What do you see? Ooh, that's a big one. How many burgundy and how many yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4. So what's 5 and 4? 9. Yes. All right, let's do some fingers. How many do you see? 7. How can I make 7? 5 and 2. All right, show me 9. How can I make 9? 5 and 4. Show me 10. How can I make 10? 5 and 5. All right, let's see if you remember what to do with bigger numbers. How would I do 16? Freeze frame 10. And then how many more do I need? 6 more. All right, let's do 19. So what do I do? Freeze frame 10. And how many more do I need? 9. Yes. All right, let's do 12. So what do I need to do? Freeze frame 10. And then how many more do I need? 2. Because 10 and 2 more is 12. All right, let's do a really hard one. See if you can tell me what I would do for 21. So 10 plus what? 10 more. And then how many more? 10 and 10 is 20. 1 more would be 21. Yes. All right, last one. Let's see if we can do that with 25. You ready? So freeze frame 10. Then what? Freeze frame 10. So that makes 20. And then how many more? 5 more would make 25. Good job, guys. All right, let's see if you remember a Ringo Rango. So Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, dinosaurs have skin. Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, I can count by 10. Help me out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great. And let's do 5s, and dinosaurs have hives. You ready? Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, dinosaurs have hives. Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, I can count by 5s. Help me out. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, I'm going to start at a number and see if you can count on from there. So I'm going to give you a thumbs up. If I say thumbs up, that means you count up. If I say thumbs down, that means you go count down, count backwards. And if I do this, that means you stop. All right, you ready? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, let's do 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, start with 99. So 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. All right, last one. Let's do 15. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. All right, you can stop right there. Good job, guys. All right, so we are going to do some graphing today, or interpreting data. So our standard is the MD.4, organize, represent, and interpret data with up to 3 categories. So we need to organize it. That means like arrange it, make it neat and into categories. We need to represent it. That means we got to show what we have to do. And interpret it. Interpret means that you have to be able to understand it. And we can do it in up to 3 categories. All right, I don't know about you guys, but this time of year, I like to eat ice cream when it's starting to get warm outside. So our graph is going to be about ice cream. Okay, so every graph needs to have a title. I'm going to scoot you a little bit closer. Every graph needs to have a title. So my title says, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Now I only went with 3 basic flavors because I know that there are tons out there, but we just went with the 3 basics. So we've got chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. So I went around and asked people what they thought. So I kind of took like a little survey. I went around and asked questions. And so they wrote their answers down on Post-it notes. So we're going to stick it up and see. So here's a vote for chocolate. Here's one for vanilla. And hopefully these will stick to my wall. And here's one for strawberry. And another for strawberry, and we've got another for chocolate, and chocolate, and chocolate. Oh, chocolate seems to be really popular. Strawberry, and another strawberry. Oh, it's kind of catching up. And we've got a V, I guess that's for vanilla, huh? And another chocolate. And another chocolate, man. And once again, chocolate. Then we've got, let's see, vanilla. And, oh goodness, chocolate. And we've got chocolate again. And let's see here. Oh, my hands are all tangled up. V for vanilla. And strawberry. And strawberry. And V for vanilla. And chocolate. Man, it's going way out there. And chocolate and chocolate.
Chocolate one.
So we've got lots of chocolates out there here.
Chocolate one.
Jonah says that chocolate one. Let's see if I can move it that way so we can see all of it. All right, so what we did for our standards is we organized our data. So like I said, I went around and asked, and this is the information that I got. And so we organized it so we're able to easily read our chart, to be able to interpret our data. So we've got to make sense of it all. So let's see what all this means. So chocolate. Let's see how many votes we had for chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 votes for chocolate. All right, let's see for vanilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 votes for vanilla. And then let's look for strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 for strawberry. You might can hear Jonah back there counting. All right, so this is our information that we collected, our data. So now we have to be able to understand it. So one of your standards is also to be able to write sentences to show that you understand our data. So let's see if we can think of a sentence that we could write. So we know, let's write some info up here to help us out. So we know that 12 people like chocolate. And we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people like vanilla. Just going to put a V for vanilla. And we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people liked strawberry. All right. So now let's use what we know to see if we can write a sentence about it. So let's see what we could put. So we could write just a basic sentence. 12 people like chocolate, right? So we could do that. 12 people liked chocolate. Okay, so that could be one of your sentences. 12 people liked chocolate. All right, let's see if we can think of another one. Another way to say that would be, let's think about who got the most votes. So chocolate got the most votes. All right, so there's another one. And then let's see here. Let's put vanilla has how many votes? 5. So vanilla got 5. All right, but now I'm going to kind of compare my data a little bit and see, let's see how many more votes does vanilla need to be tied with strawberry. So we had 5 for vanilla and 6 for strawberry. So let's kind of compare our data. So let's put 1 more vote, and it would be tied with strawberry. I'm just going to write the word straw for short, straw for short. All right, so our sentences, we know from our data, our graph, that 12 people like chocolate. Chocolate got the most votes. Vanilla has 5 votes and 1 more vote, and it would be tied with strawberry. So that shows that we understand the information in our graph. All right, so let's look over here at our graph again. So just by looking at it, super simple questions. Which one got the most votes? We just talked about that. Chocolate got the most with 12. Which one got the least amount of votes? Vanilla got the least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vanilla got the least. And then let's see if you can answer a more challenging question. How many more votes does strawberry need to be tied with chocolate? How many more votes does strawberry need to be tied with chocolate? Okay, in case you forgot, strawberry has 6 votes and chocolate has 12. So let's think of it in your head. You can use our graph to count up, or I can show you on here. So strawberry had 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then we have to get to 12. So I'm just going to count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so let's see. So strawberry had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then to be tied, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it would need 6 more because that's doubles. 6 plus 6 is 12. All right, so we could say, one way that we could say that is chocolate got 6 more votes than strawberry, or we could say that strawberry has 6 less votes than chocolate. So you could say that either way. All right, now let's think about this. Vanilla has 1 less than strawberry. So what do you think our difference would be here? How many more votes does vanilla need to be tied with chocolate? All right, so for vanilla, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let me get a matching cube so that's easier. 5, and then we have to go all the way up to 12. So what do you think? I'm going to put my 6 on there that we already had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm going to add one more to make 12. So how many more does it need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It needs 7 more to be tied. So we could say that vanilla has 7 less votes than chocolate. Or we could say that chocolate has 7 more votes than vanilla does. All right, so this was a great little way to practice a graph at your house. See if you can come up with your own title and survey some people around your house. Maybe their favorite ice cream, their favorite animal, their favorite summer activity. You can do a graph for pretty much anything. Your favorite movie, whatever it is. I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.